This video will show you how to drag and drop controls on a Windows Form application in Microsoft Visual Studio 2008. Here I have the Windows Form application that I created in the first video. Now I'm going to show you how to drag and drop controls onto your form. You'll want to expand your toolbox. Sometimes it's pinned up against the side. To expand it, simply click on it and then pin it using the pin button. If you don't see a toolbox here, then you can navigate to View and then scroll down to Toolbox and select. Next, make sure the common controls are expanded. First, we're going to add a label. Simply click on the label and then drag and drop onto your form. You'll see blue lines that are there to assist you as guides so that you can align the controls. Once on your form, you can still move your control around anywhere you want it. When you have your control on your form, you'll want to change the name of the label. To do that, simply find the Properties box. And if you don't see that, again navigate to View and then Properties window. Here you'll want to change the name of the control. This doesn't actually change the text of the control, just the name of the control. And it's good practice to name your controls so that you know what they are instead of using the standard pre-populated one. A common use for a label is LBL, and then something that identifies what your control is going to refer to. In this case, I want my label to say name. So I'm going to scroll down and find the text property and then place my text in. And here you'll see that the text of the control changes. We're also going to change the name of the form real quick. Again, you can change the text here by finding the text area and then typing in your text. And you'll see up at top that your text will change. And here, you'll change the name of your control. Alright, next I'm going to add a text box. Just going to drag and drop it, just like I did the label. Scroll back up to the name to change the control name. You can still use something that's common, such as name, as I named my label, which had LBL name. The only thing that you cannot do is name a control the same as another control. Otherwise, you'll get an error. In the text box, you can insert text, but by default, there is no text. Next, we're going to add a button. Again, a button works the same way, where you can change the text and the name of the control. Here, BTN is often commonly used to refer to a button. Make sure you save by using the hotkey Control-S, or going to File, Save, or using the icons here. And that concludes this video on how to drag and drop controls onto your Windows Form application.